जनाब, एक जमाना था जब 70 पर आने वाले आर्टिस्ट सुपरस्टार्स कहलाए जाते थे। बट दिस इज न्यू इंडिया, द डिजिटल इंडिया, where you don't need silver screen to make it big। 7 इंच की स्क्रीन भी आपको सुपरस्टार बना सकती है। वेलकम टू TV9 डिजिटल सोशल सुपरस्टार, जहां आएंगे 20 सोशल सुपरस्टार्स और अपने शॉर्ट कंटेंट से करेंगे इन्फ्लुएंस बड़े बड़े मुद्दों को।
If it is my duty towards my country, obviously I am ready to participate.
It's very important to vote.
Wherever I go, I get my Indian meal, my घर का देसी खाना।
I hope आपका सीजन 1 है, सीजन 100 तक जाए।
This is a great initiative by TV9 to bring all the influencers together and have them talk about their journey. I think this will inspire so many other influencers or so many other people who want to look at this profession.
Hey, morning.
Welcome to Expo.
Kunal Saga. Thank you so much.
I am Supriya Nagpal. I am a software engineer turned into a fashion and lifestyle, I would like to say healthy lifestyle content creator. Wow, I'm going to be here for next 2 days. This is an amazing opportunity by TV9. God, this is so pretty. Thank you, Expo, for the lovely hospitality. I just can't wait to get on my lunch and then we're gonna get ready for the golf activity. Stay tuned.
Oh my god. The people who really knows me, they know how big and self-obsessed I am. मैं दिल जीत लिया है। See? And जिसको ये भी पता है कि मियाँ कौन है, उनको ये भी पता है कितनी बड़ी स्वीट टूथ हूँ मैं। सो मैं बिल्कुल वेट नहीं करूँगी। आई एम अ बिग टाइम स्वीट टूथ पर्सन। मज़ा आ गया। A girl who is very bold, very confident about herself, and in terms of confidence, मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ से बचपन से कूट कूट के भर के आया है। सो आप मुझे कहीं पे भी खड़ा कर दो, बुलवा दो, कहीं पे भी छोड़ दो, and I'll be like, हाँ। I always loved the camera. I love being on camera. I used to work on certain platforms in Mumbai also in acting. I mean, you know, makeup is something that really gives me a lot of pleasure. And now I work as a full-fledged professional makeup artist, as a freelancer. And yeah, I make days special for beautiful girls.
Havi Dilo Sehgal will never call herself an influencer, if you ask me. And we have seen a lot of people influencing. I actually find them doing great work, but I will call them content creators.
Social media really helped me become more confident about my identity. Instagram's been a huge platform for me to be out loud and proud about myself.
My role as an influencer, I'd say even I look up to some. Your style is something which is, I think, your shadow.
Hello everyone, my name is Kunal. I am a food influencer and a corporate guy. The one thing which I loved, there were few people who came across to me. Are you the one who used to drive 40 miles? I'm like, yeah, you know it. So yeah, that thing actually made me more comfortable that we like it, we write it.
I like is to influence people so that people would know me. People do reach out to me, you know, ask if they are going somewhere, what would be your suggestion, what would you do? So this makes me, you know, feel proud in what I am doing.
हाय, मैं हूँ हिमानी सेठ और मैं एक कॉर्पोरेट गर्ल हूँ विद अ पैशन टू ब्लॉग।
मोर पपीहा बोलेला पायल मोरा बाजे रामा धीरे धीरे। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अक्षत कपूर है। लखनऊ शहर से रहने वाला हूँ, दिल्ली में रहता हूँ सौभाग्यवश एक ऐसे परिवार में जन्मा जहाँ पर आर्ट क्राफ्ट एंड कल्चर को बहुत तवज्जो दी गई शुरू से.
Hi, I'm Pallavi. I'm a content creator since 2012. I've been creating content on fashion, sustainable lifestyle, and mindful living.
You have to keep it going. You have to follow the trends. That's how you people are going to come and follow you, and you're going to maybe become their inspirations and stuff.
We listened to someone and they said, oh, you have to buy this, it worked wonders. I think that's what influencers are today. It's just that the magnitude has increased.
It eventually happened that I started posting on Instagram and I got a lot of traction over it. Then I thought probably this is something I enjoy doing and the audience also appreciates it. So over the time it just gradually happened.
Hi, my name is Prateek and I'm a food influencer. I run a Delhi-based guide for food and experiences called longstoryshort.delhi.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a cocktail with a homegrown brand from Smoke Lab. As you can see it over here, Smoke Lab has 3 flavors. So right now I'm just pouring 60 ml of Smoke Lab saffron vodka. And I'm going to add like 15 ml of ginger syrup. We'll add 15 to 20 ml of lime juice. Top it up with 40 ml of orange juice. And I'm going to top it up with the tonic water. And mixing all the ingredients together. And I'm going to garnish it with the orange wedge. And here's the drink for you.
After tons of मौज, मस्ती and fun, हम निकल पड़े एक one of its kind digital golf experience के लिए.
अंकुर तो इतना बिजी बिजनेसमैन है यहाँ पे सट्टा लगा है.
Enjoy yourself, have a gala time. I would just request everyone to put this on the list.
Indoor golf, actually a good and exciting concept.
It is a very exciting concept and I actually can't wait to, probably swing.
Actually, let's go and
hit
do
the ball and, enjoy the experience.
Come on guys, come on guys, come on guys, come on. Yeah. Sim, yoga, shoga. Now, give me two. Give me two.
तो मैं आई हूँ आज ग्रैंड वेनिस मॉल में और यहाँ पे हम करने वाले हैं गंडोला राइड. तो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दैट गंडोला राइड.
मेरा फर्स्ट ट्रिप था खीर गंगा के लिए हिमाचल प्रदेश में एंड पहाड़ों में मैं कभी गया नहीं था तो इट वॉज सच अ नाइस ट्रिप. मैंने पहली बार पहाड़ देखे थे, उसके बाद तो मैं पहाड़ों में जाने से खुद को रोक ही नहीं पाया.
I wanted to start in 2017-18 but it was like I was not getting that time from myself. Corona has given, the good part for me happened was it has given me time to me.
After the amazing experience of gondola ride and digital golf, sunset हो रहा था, लेकिन हमारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स अप हो रहे थे क्योंकि अभी रात बाकी थी और बात बाकी थी। कहते हैं हर अंत से एक नई शुरुआत होती है। आज पहला दिन समाप्त हुआ है, लेकिन एक इतिहास की शुरुआत हुई है। ये है TV9 डिजिटल सोशल सुपरस्टार इन एसोसिएशन विद News 9+ एंड Trends 9।